Hi everyone, welcome back to Hannah's Kitchen Corner. Today I'm going to introduce a Filipino dessert recipe which is Mangofloat, made with Grahamcrackers, sweetened cream and ripe mangoes. Mangofloat could be the easiest, delicious, no-bake dessert you could ever make during this mango season. Don't miss it. For this recipe, I am using here 3 cups of heavy cream. You need to whip heavy cream until soft peaks forms. Add a pinch of salt and condensed milk and whisk it again. Chill the heavy cream, condensed milk and bowl in the fridge for a few hours for easy whipped cream. Now our sweetened cream is ready. You can set it aside. Make sure your mangoes are ripe and sweet. You can peel the skin and slice 1 mango thinly and other 2 mangoes you can chop and set it aside. Let's start layering the mango float in a glass container. First lay the graham crackers. Then you can add 1/4 of the whipped cream and then add chopped mangoes on top. Repeat this process until 4 layers are formed. For the last layer, add whipped cream and sliced mangoes. You can also add more graham crackers crumbs at the top for decoration. Cover the container and refrigerate overnight for soft texture. And another option is to freeze overnight for ice cream texture. Before eating, you can thaw for 30 minutes or less depending on what texture you like. First, I am going to show you the soft texture one. Based on your like, you can either put it in the fridge or in the freezer. Here I am showing the soft texture one first, and then after that I put it in the freezer. That is the ice cream texture one. I hope you will try this at home and let me know your feedbacks. Full recipe will be in the description box. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.